Hello and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. Today, let's understand how chiplets make modern AI chips possible. Once you understand that a chip is a manufactured circuit on silicon, the next question is obvious. Why not just make one giant chip for AI? One huge chip sounds simple. More transistors, more compute, more memory, more power. But chip manufacturing punishes size. A large die is harder to make, harder to test, harder to cool, and more likely to be ruined by a tiny defect. There is also a manufacturing limit called a reticle limit, which is basically the maximum area that can be exposed as one pattern during lithography. So the engineering problem is not, can we dream of a bigger AI chip? The problem is, can we build something that behaves like a bigger chip without depending on one impossible piece of silicon? That is where chiplets come in. A chiplet is a smaller piece of silicon designed to do a specific job, then combined with other pieces inside one package. Instead of one giant monolithic die, engineers assemble multiple dies very close together. One chiplet may focus on compute, another may handle input and output, another may connect to memory. Together they are packaged so the final product feels like one accelerator. This is the important shift. Modern AI chips are becoming packaged systems, not just single pieces of silicon. NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture is a useful example. NVIDIA says Blackwell GPUs have 208 billion transistors and use two reticle limited dies connected by a 10 terabytes per second chip-to-chip interconnect. So they behave as one unified GPU. That line is the whole story in miniature. The product wants to act like one massive chip. The engineering underneath uses multiple pieces and an extremely fast connection. The second reason chiplets matter is specialization. Not every part of an accelerator benefits from the same manufacturing process. The fastest logic may need the most advanced node, but input-output circuits, memory controllers, cache or analog functions may work better, cheaper, or more reliably on a different node. Chiplets let designers mix optimized parts instead of forcing every function into one process. The third reason is memory. AI accelerators do not only need arithmetic. They need to move huge amounts of data to the compute units without starving them. AMD's MI300X, for example, lists 192 GB of HBM3 memory and 5.3 terabytes per second of peak memory bandwidth. Those numbers are not just impressive specs. They show that memory capacity and bandwidth are part of the AI chip architecture. This is why advanced packaging has become so important. Packaging used to sound like the boring final wrapper around a finished chip. Now, packaging is part of the design itself. The package has to place chiplets and high bandwidth memory close enough that signals move quickly with less power, less delay, and enough bandwidth. If those connections are too slow, the chiplets become separate islands. If the connections are fast enough, they can act like one system. That is why standards such as UCIe matter. UCIe is an open chiplet interconnect standard. Its goal is to define how chiplets talk inside a package, including the physical layer, protocols, software model, and compliance testing. The long-term dream is a healthier chiplet ecosystem, where pieces can be mixed more easily instead of every company building only closed one-off links. But there are real trade-offs. Chiplets are not free magic. Engineers still have to manage signal integrity, heat, power delivery, testing, reliability, security, and software behavior across multiple pieces of silicon. The system may be modular inside, but it must behave like one reliable machine outside. For software engineers, the lesson is useful. Hardware architecture is becoming more like distributed systems. Even inside one accelerator, performance depends on data movement, memory locality, interconnect bandwidth, and where work is placed. The clear takeaway is this. Modern AI chips are not only about smaller transistors. They are about system design. In simple terms, chiplets let engineers build larger, more specialized, more memory-rich accelerators by assembling multiple silicon blocks inside one advanced package and making them behave as one fast machine. The magic is not one block. The magic is the connection. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish and share this episode with one friend who likes technology. I will see you in the next episode.